Hey everybody, Carl here, Airsoft Arena, Airsoft Headquarters. As stated in the quick overview video of this, today's going to be the shooting test. We're going to test FPS, accuracy at various ranges, and how far you can shoot with a large target at various ranges. So let's see how this goes. I have high hopes. First up, we are going to test the FPS with a .20 BB, and let's see what we're doing inside of here. Just to let you know, again, the recommended battery is an 11.1 stick type that fits in the buffer tube. So that's a pretty nice thing already coming out of this gun, is that nice LiPo readiness. Let's see, 365, 364, 364. 15.2, fairly respectable. Doesn't need to be too wild. This will do the job at a 15.2 rounds per second. All right, accuracy testing. As you can see, we're using a man-sized target at going to be 25 feet, 30 feet, 40 feet, 50 feet, just to see the size of the groupings. And away we go. Where are we at? Not bad. Not the best, not the worst. Again, though, it is airsoft. If it hits anything in this yellow, that person is out. 30 feet. Fine. Should probably write 30 feet in there. I like that, though. We are now at 40 feet. Let's see what happened. Oh, there. Well, it got a bit wider because now it's... It's hard to write on that. That's a lot bigger. Let's see what happens at 50 feet. I'm gonna aim at the head on the 50. All right, 50 feet. Oh wow, that's everywhere. That's spread out quite a bit. Point of aim here, point of impact here. These sights are just as they came out of the box. Oh, this one's set far this way. Didn't mess with the hop up, but I'm betting if you adjust your hop up, if you put an optic or a flashlight on this or a tracer unit, you can dial this in pretty tightly. So good luck with that if you go for that option. Now let's see what we can do at distance. We already tested out to 50 feet just to see what the grouping is. We know we're hitting the target. So we're gonna start for the gong down there. You'll see it, it's yellow. We're gonna start at 50 feet, see if we hit it, 3 shots, then we're gonna move on to 75 and 100 feet. So away we go. $75. All right, 1 out of 3 so far on each. I also do think it's funny as we're shooting at something maybe center of chest sized. No hits, but I can't even see where they're going. So with a flashlight or an optic, you'll be able to see where it's going and you'll be able to make adjustments to your hop up, your sights, etc. I know it's hitting the wood. And if you were to look at that from here, I'm shooting at someone's head. Maybe you get lucky. I have weird eye dominance issues. My left eye is better than my right.